Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today I'm very excited because I finally have my cartoon series ready for you. Today we have a busy professional. She's also a mom, and she's overwhelmed with her daily life, but she's about to find a solution. Let's hear it from her.
Hi, this is me. I have a very demanding job, and I have a lot to do and a lot of important decisions to make all day long. But when the workday ends, oh no, I have no idea what I'm going to feed my family for dinner. Honey, is there anything to eat at home? Most days, I'm rushing to pick up my kids from school, and there's just not enough time in the day or even the week to get groceries, meal prep, cook, and to get the rest of my work done. And everyone is hungry and depending on me. I need a solution. Oh, and that's when I remembered, let me call that Thermomix consultant. Hi, I'm ready for my free demo. Could we please schedule one? Now that my Thermomix consultant has arrived, they can show me how to plan a meal that is healthy, homemade, easy to make, and quantifiable enough to feed my whole family. I found my new kitchen assistant, and I can't believe it's a robot. Thank you, Thermomix. You've saved my kitchen.
So cute, right? That was me for many years. By the time I discovered Thermomix, my kids were already 18 and 15. I really wish I had had a Thermomix when they were growing up. The amount of veggies they would have consumed. And did you know that Thermomix makes baby food too? The amount of money I spent on those horrible jars. Bleh. Anyway, if you identify with her, and even if you don't, please email me. Let's get on a call and I'll answer any questions you may have. I can give you a demo, free shipping, or if and when you're ready to own your Thermomix, I can give you tons of tips and advice. Ready to have healthy, delicious family meals every night? Contact me today. Thank you.